Alright guys, so today we're gonna be unboxing a engine step stool so that I can see over the engine to help my dad fix his truck. So today we're gonna be unboxing it. Let's go. First, gotta get these things off. Okay, let's see here. Alright, so we got this one off, which is good. Take this tape off. And we have to get this one right here off. Let's get it. Alright, I had to take that tag off because it was sticky. Alright, got that off. I have to take this one off now. And first, let me cut the rest of this that's already open so that I won't have to worry about it later. Okay. Okay, Daddy's coming to help. I'm struggling. Okay. Okay. So this is it, right here.
So you gotta move that box out the way. Take that out.
Okay. Okay, we got the cover off. Now, let's see. Alright, I'm gonna go try this out on my dad's truck. Now let's go.
Bring it.
Alright guys, now that we've made it to the truck, we're gonna try to figure out how to put it in here. So me assuming it's supposed to go on the tire. That's just supposed to be a step stool, so we're probably have to figure out how to put this on there. Okay. So it looks like this. Okay. But how do we get this cardboard off of here? Oh, my knees are...
Just try to fit it over the tire.
Okay. Right here.
Alright, there we go. There's there.
Oh. It worked. We'll have to see if it's stable though.
So, step on.
Alright, let's step on it. Okay.
Just hop up there.
Oh.
There you go. The steps still too high, huh?
I could use some help getting up here, but...
Well, just go ahead and, okay, there you go.
Okay, we're up here.
How's it feel? It feels sturdy?
I have a hard time getting up
I think
here.
you got it crooked, but go ahead and step off. Step down. There you go. All right.
in the back of the truck. No instructions needed.
Run it up.
Bring it in on me. We in on 3. 1.
Four color, we in trouble.
3.
No surrender, no retreat. Four color, time to eat.
Ain't no turning back. That was it.
So all we have to do
I can't strap it up.
is
To the left, look to your right. Who can you trust? It's just us. Big toes, yeah.
pick this up. And then, boom. They're putting it in the back of the truck until we get ready to work on the engine. Alright guys, and all we did today was figure out how to use that and how to install it. And we did a pretty good job today. And so that's it for this video. And we're gonna have an upcoming video where we work on the truck and we use that stepping stool to help me see over the engine, because I'm a kid and I'm kind of short. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you next time.